On Stora Karlsö off the west coast of Scotland we have a base station where we download data from GPS tags on lesser blackback gulls. Today I'm going to show you this and make some adjustments to the system.
So now here we are at the front of the hut, which is just here behind me. And if we go into the hut, it's a little bit of a mess. There's some of the equipment here for touching devices to the birds, the bird rings. And if we continue around, we can see the cables now. Cables coming in from outside, from the pole which is on the roof. So here we are on top of the hut, which is where we have the base station. The base station is what communicates with the GPS devices, downloading the data of the gulls, which you can hear all around me. The base station is located sort of in the centre of the area where the gulls are breeding, and by doing that we're able to get sort of fairly frequent contact with the devices on the birds, so we can download the data regularly. One of the main areas we have is up over there on the hillside, where we have, well, there's about 20 nests in that area, and we've been tracking about 5 birds in that area right now. We also have some, if you look now this side, there's the sea, and next to the sea there's the beach area, which is where we have several more pairs, including one bird which we've been tracking since 2011. So now this is 2014 that I'm filming this, so that bird has been filmed for 3 years of its life. And just here we have the mast, which consists of 2 types of antenna. There's these flat antennas, which look a bit like a Wi-Fi antenna maybe, and those are what communicate with the GPS devices on the lesser blackback gulls. I've come up here today to adjust the system, to adjust the setup of these antennas, because we have one bird which is breeding slightly further from the core area, so we're not getting such good communication with that tag. So by moving one of these antennas, this one here, I hope to be able to maintain more regular contact with that device, and therefore to be able to download the GPS data, which it was recorded on the device during that bird's migration. We've downloaded part of that data, and that shows us so far that that bird went to West Africa, to the Congo River basin, to the country of Cameroon. So I'm just unscrewing this relay from the mast here, from the pole. So it's quite loose now, so we can remove it finally. There we are. Sorry. So now we're above the area where we took the relay station down from, where the base station is set up, which is down at the hut down there. And now the idea is that we will place this relay station on this hillside area where we are now. Looking from the hut and looking towards the point over there, which is where one of the gulls is nesting. And hopefully by doing this we'll maintain a better connection with the logger on that bird and be able to get more regular data.